Hi, this is Corey with Lawn Pros. We do any and all sprinkler repair, full installs, and anything else you'd like. This is a sprinkler key. This is what we use to adjust our full-size rotaries and any rotary. There's a plus and minus on it. You just stick it on in, down in there. It'll rotate from left to right. It's plus or minus. You minus it, and it'll go less. Plus it, and it'll go more. It also has this end, which is a little metal hex key. It goes to the very tip of the pressure. You can lower it to make it go basically down to nothing. And you can up it to go all the way to a stream. And of course it's windy right now, so unfortunately it's not working the greatest, but there's the stream.